I'm Suhas Paranjape, and I work for an organization called Supecom. And we have been working in the area of land, water and energy for the last 25-30 years. And what I'm going to talk about today is a different sort of way of looking at sustainability. Sustainability is generally understood as something of sustaining, of keeping something constant. And this can often turn into some sort of a status quoist kind of conception which concentrates on the outcomes rather than on process. So one was thinking of having a different interpretation of it. And a different interpretation of it would be to say that what you need is not a sustainable society or pathway, but a regenerative pathway. Where what you actually are meaning is that it's not just the outcome, but the whole process of regeneration, which is important. Especially this gives you a handle also to talk about regeneration at different levels. You can have regeneration of the productive powers of the ecosystem. You can have the regeneration of people's well-being. You can have regeneration of the flora and fauna in that area. And you can have a regeneration which is not necessarily at the same level, but at a higher, expanded and improved level as well. So it incorporates it within itself the whole possibility of change, development as well. Whereas sustainability seems to be aimed at something, keeping something constant. And therefore I think we have been now thinking more and more in terms of thinking about sustainability as the regeneration of capacities rather than the maintenance of capacities or the maintenance of certain levels. And I think this will go a long way towards actually thinking about sustainable pathways in a different manner.